All right, guys, so today we're going to start learning about the factor theorem. And let's just go back to basically factoring a quadratic. And we did this a few sections back. Reading in backwards, we're looking, well, we have x and x. We're looking for two numbers that multiply to be 6, that subtract to be 1. That'd be 3 and 2. If this sign's a minus, the signs will be different. And the bigger number is going to be what this sign is, and the other one be a plus. That means that x is equal to 3 and x is equal to -2. We can factor things also using synthetic division. So again, we said here x is equal to 3. If we used our synthetic, I'm going to put down the coefficients, draw the line. We have our remainder box. You bring down the first number of 1. 1 times 3 is 3. We get 2. 2 times 3 is 6, and we get 0. Let's see what happens if we use the other factor, -2. Again, the coefficients are 1, -1, -6. We bring down the 1. We get -2. So we get -3. We get 6. And again, we get 0. So what I'm noticing here is that the remainder is 0. And what we have is called the factor theorem, which says if f of x is divided by some linear binomial and the remainder is 0, then k minus c is a factor. So if I'm going to ask you if this is a factor, what you're going to do is use synthetic division. If you get a remainder of 0, then the answer is yes. So again, you got to set this equal to 0 to solve. So I know x is equal to 4. 4 goes in our box. There are our coefficients. Bring down the first number. It's going to get us 13. It's going to be 40. That's 52. And we wind up with 40. Because this is not 0, we can say that just no, x minus 4 is not a factor. Let's just try one more. Again, we're going to let x equal -5, set it equal to 0. That's our multiplier. I am noticing I am missing an x term here, so we're going to need a placeholder of 0. So our coefficients are going to be 3, 15, -1, 0, and then 25. Draw the line. There's our remainder catcher. Bring down the 3. 3 times 5 is -15. That gets us 0. 0 times -5 is 0. Add them together. We get 5. Add them together. -25. We get 0. So here the answer is yes. X plus 5 is a factor of this particular polynomial. I have 3 for you to try. Try them on your own. Answer key is in Schoology.